Hi, I'm doing a problem from 7.2, estimating a confidence interval for a population mean where sigma is not known. Okay, that's this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and go through an example from the homework right here, this one right here. First of all, I went ahead and put these in my list 1, so if you need to pause and do that, you can go ahead and put those numbers in there for you. And I went ahead and hit Stat, Calc, Enter, and I got these numbers. I got N is 7, X bar, and then S is the 3 things that we need for this one. Okay, now let me go to this example. It says, we're talking about food safety guidelines. It said, listed below are the amounts of mercury of tuna sushi sampled at different stores in a major city. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean amount of mercury. Okay, so for this example, they don't say anything about the population standard deviation. So it's not this one. Sigma's not known. Sigma's not known in this case. They don't tell us anything about that. We want to use this example right here. We do know the sample standard deviation, but we don't know the population standard deviation. Okay, so I did work through it all by hand here, using the steps on here. I thought I'd also show you by calculator too. By calculator, I'm going to use number 8, T interval. I was going to show you a little bit about that. Okay, so after I have these numbers in here, I'm going to go to Stat, Test, and then go all the way down to number 8, T interval. Okay, you have 2 choices here. You can either use data, if you have your data in a list, which I actually do here, or you can use statistics, and you could put the statistics in. So here I actually already have X bar, S, and N in there. The one thing I want to do change is this confidence level. For my problem, it says 95%, so I do want to change the confidence level to be 0.95. So again, this is my sample mean, my sample standard deviation. This is my sample size. And I'm going to go ahead and go down to Calculate. And that will give me these answers, these 2 answers right here for the confidence interval. Okay, so there's my smaller value. If I round that 3 decimal places, I get 0.4. And then here's my upper value. Sometimes the answers are a little bit off because, again, if you do it by hand compared to doing it by calculator, they could be off just a tad. But my math lab has some leeway for that one. So this is a homework example number 22 that I give you a copy of. And the answers are in Canvas.